Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome to the WPNN. My name is Chloe.
And my name is Selena. It's a radical day to be a Panther.
Panthers, any student and or teacher interested in participating in the Puerto Rican Day Parade, it is this Saturday, September 23rd. If you are interested in helping, please contact Ms. Bellis.
Send her an email or stop by classroom room 5204 to sign up and share your ideas.
Let's join the STEP team and bring a piece of heritage to the Palm Bay streets, celebrating with our Puerto Rican neighbors.
Students, the meeting for the Future Business Leaders of America will be held on the third Wednesday of every month after school in room 5106. The next meeting is this Wednesday, September 20th.
The FBLA Google Classroom code is SDAZFKF.
Bikers and Surfers, the 2023 Homecoming Dance, is this Saturday night from 6 to 10 p.m. here at Heritage.
Tickets are being sold on campus and will continue until this Friday, the 22nd, or until sold out.
Spirit Week started today with the theme Bikers for the Surfers. You will be stoked to hear the themes for the rest of the week.
Tomorrow's theme is Anything But a Backpack Day. Wednesday is Barbie vs. Ken. Thursday is Barbecue Dad vs. Soccer Mom. And Friday is Class Colors Day.
A reminder, the class colors are freshmen are white, sophomore are gray, juniors are blue, and seniors are black.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go Big Blue!